وقال الله لا تتخذوا إلهين اثنين إنما هو إله واحد فإياي فارهبون.
Allah has commanded, do not take two gods, for He is but one God, so fear me alone.
وله ما في السماوات والأرض وله الدين واصبا أفغير الله تتقون.
His is whatever is in the heavens and the earth, and obedience to Him inevitably pervades the whole universe. Will you then hold in awe any other than Allah?
وما بكم من نعمة فمن الله ثم إذا مسكم الضر فإليه تجأرون.
Every bounty that you enjoy is from Allah, and whenever any misfortune strikes you, it is to Him that you cry for the removal of your distress.
ثم إذا كشف الضر عنكم إذا فريق منكم بربهم يشركون.
But as soon as He removes the distress from you, some of you associate others with their Lord in giving thanks.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم فتمتعوا فسوف تعلمون.
That they may show ingratitude for the bounties we bestowed upon them. So enjoy yourselves for a while, soon you will come to know the truth.
ويجعلون لما لا يعلمون نصيبا مما رزقناهم تالله لتسألن عما كنتم تفترون.
They set apart for those whose reality they do not even know a portion of the sustenance we have provided them. By Allah, you will surely be called to account for the lies that you have invented.
وَيَجْعَلُونَ لِلَّهِ الْبَنَاتِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَلَهُم مَّا يَشْتَهُونَ.
They assign daughters to Allah, glory be to Him, whereas they assign to themselves what they truly desire.
وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِالْأُنثَىٰ ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ.
When any of them is told about the birth of a female, his face turns dark, and he is filled with suppressed anger.
يَتَوَارَىٰ مِنَ الْقَوْمِ مِن سُوءِ مَا بُشِّرَ بِهِ أَيُمْسِكُهُ عَلَىٰ هُونٍ أَمْ يَدُسُّهُ فِي التُّرَابِ أَلَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ.
And he hides himself from people because of the bad news, thinking, should he keep the child despite disgrace, or should he bury it in dust? How evil is their estimate of Allah.
لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ مَثَلُ السَّوْءِ وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
Those who do not believe in the hereafter deserve to be characterized with evil attributes, whereas Allah's are the most excellent attributes. He is the most mighty, the most wise.
وَلَوْ يُؤَاخِذُ اللَّهُ النَّاسَ بِظُلْمِهِم مَّا تَرَكَ عَلَيْهَا مِن دَابَّةٍ ولكن يؤخرهم إلى مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون.
Were Allah to take people to task for their wrongdoing, He would not have spared even a single living creature on the face of the earth. But He grants them respite until an appointed term. And when that term arrives, they have no power to delay it by a single moment, nor to hasten it.
وَيَجْعَلُونَ لِلَّهِ مَا يَكْرَهُونَ وَتَصِفُ أَلْسِنَتُهُمُ الْكَذِبَ أَنَّ لَهُمُ الْحُسْنَى لَا جَرَمَ أَنَّ لَهُمُ النَّارَ وَأَنَّهُمْ مُفْرَطُونَ.
They assign to Allah what they dislike for themselves, and their tongues utter a sheer lie in stating that a happy state awaits them. Without doubt, the fire awaits them, and it is to it that they shall be hastened.
تالله لقد أرسلنا إلى أمم من قبلك فزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فهو وليهم اليوم ولهم عذاب أليم.
By Allah, O Muhammad, we sent messengers to other communities before you, but Satan made their evil deeds attractive to them, so they paid no heed to the call of the messengers. The same Satan is their patron today, and they are heading towards a painful chastisement.
وَمَا أَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ إِلَّا لِتُبَيِّنَ لَهُمُ الَّذِي اخْتَلَفُوا فِيهِ وَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةً لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
We have sent down the book that you may explain to them the truth concerning what they are disputing, and that the book may serve as a guidance and mercy for those who believe in it.
والله أنزل من السماء ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يسمعون.
Allah sends down water from the heaven, and thereby He instantly revives the earth after it lay dead. Verily, there is a sign in it for those who have ears.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهِ مِن بين فرث ودم لبنا خالصا سائغا للشاربين.
Surely there's a lesson for you in the cattle. We provide you to drink out of that which is in their bellies between the feces and the blood, pure milk, which is a palatable drink for those who take it.
ومن ثمرات النخيل والأعناب تتخذون منه سكرا ورزقا حسنا إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يعقلون.
And out of the fruits of date palms and grapes you derive intoxicants as well as wholesome sustenance. Surely there's a sign for those who use reason.
وأوحى ربك إلى النحل أن اتخذي من الجبال بيوتا ومن الشجر ومما يعرشون.
Your Lord inspired the bee, saying, set up hives in the mountains and in the trees and in the trellises that people put up.
ثم كلي من كل الثمرات فاسلكي سبل ربك ذللا يخرج من بطونها شراب مختلف ألوانه فيه شفاء للناس إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يتفكرون.
Then suck the juice of every kind of fruit and keep treading the ways of your Lord, which have been made easy. There comes forth from their bellies a drink varied in colors, wherein there's healing for men. Verily, there's a sign in this for those who reflect.
والله خلقكم ثم يتوفاكم ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم بعد علم شيئا إن الله عليم قدير.
Allah has created you and then He causes you to die. Some of you have your lives prolonged to an abject old age, when one loses all knowledge after having acquired it. Allah is all-knowing, all-powerful.
والله فضل بعضكم على بعض في الرزق فما الذين فضلوا براد رزقهم على ما ملكت أيمانهم فهم فيه سواء أفبنعمة الله يجحدون.
Allah has favored some of you with more worldly provisions than others. Then those who are more favored do not give away their provisions to their slaves, lest they become equal sharers in it. Do they then deny the favor of Allah?
والله جعل لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا وجعل لكم من أزواجكم بنين وحفدة ورزقكم من الطيبات أفبالباطل يؤمنون وبنعمة الله هم يكفرون.
And Allah has given you spouses from your kind and has granted you through your spouses sons and grandsons and has provided you wholesome things as sustenance. After knowing all this, do they still believe in falsehood and deny Allah's bounty?
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لا يملك لهم رزقا من السماوات والأرض شيئا ولا يستطيعون.
And worship instead of Allah those helpless beings who have no control over providing them any sustenance from the heavens and the earth. Do you worship those who have no power to do anything of this sort?
فلا تضربوا لله الأمثال إن الله يعلم وأنتم لا تعلمون.
So do not strike any similitudes to Allah. Allah knows, whereas you do not know.
ضرب الله مثلا عبدا مملوكا لا يقدر على شيء ومن رزقناه منا رزقا حسنا فهو ينفق منه سرا وجهرا هل يستوون الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah sets forth a parable There's one who is a slave and is owned by another and has no power over anything. And there's one whom we've granted good provision ourselves, of which he spends both secretly and openly. Can they be equal? All praise be to Allah. But most of them do not even know this simple fact.